What is up, you guys? Blue Polo Guy here again, back for another video. Guys, we finally did it. We hit 10 subscribers. And, as I promised, I will be doing a giveaway to one of y'all for free. Like, you guys don't even have to pay shipping or anything. I'll cover everything for you guys. And I'll let you know what you're going to get at the end of the video. But first, also I'll let you know how you're going to enter to win. Like 10 is a milestone for me, so I'm like really happy about that. So what I done got is like a bit of everything. Let me show you guys. First thing, we didn't get not just one new box of mystery minis of Stranger Things, Target exclusive, but we also got another box of Stranger Things mystery minis, Hot Topic exclusives. Of course, we're going for the 3 exclusives in each set. That being, freak, I forget his name. Guy lifeguard that, like, you know, got possessed by that creature. Freaking, the girl she tried to hit on. And then 11 in, like, that mall outfit she bought. Those are the Hot Topic exclusives. For the Target exclusives, we have I'm pretty sure that's Max right there. We also have Dustin in his little outfit when he came back. And we have another 11 exclusive. Shouldn't be hard to get. Also, I got the newest set, Unified Minds, Pokemon booster packs. I got the 3-pack as well. We also got a team up promo, 2 Crystal Storms promos, Primal Clash, Ancient Origins, Unbroken Bonds. We got 6 3-packs, mystery boxes, thingies, not mystery boxes, but you know, 3-packs. We have a Fates Collide promo, Crimson Invasions promo, and let me just grab this real quick. It's all the way over here. There's a lot of stuff here, guys. I apologize. It's the biggest stack. Burning Shadows promos and booster packs. Been saving up, guys. Been saving up for this. Got a whole bunch to open. And then we have 2 power boxes. 1 Thunder Edition. So nothing really exclusive besides like a promo card in there. Usually it's like a Pikachu. And so far I haven't got doubles, so that's pretty good. And then we have this new mystery power box that recently got released like a month or 2 ago. And you have a 1 in 10 chance of getting a vintage pack. I've been trying to look for more of these, but when I went to Walmart, you get these at Walmart, by the way. They're like 30 bucks. But again, a 1 in 10 chance to get a vintage pack. And like, who doesn't want a vintage pack? So I bought the only one they had there. I would have like loved more, because you know, I would have bought 10, because you know, 1 in 10 chances. We got to get something, right? So let's just jump right into it, guys. Let's open. Let's go with some mystery minis first. Let's do Target. Target mystery minis. This feels like it's been opened before. Or like the shipping was just, or manufacturing package was just like that. Either way, I haven't opened these, guys. So everything we get is like freshly new. So yeah. And first, we have 11, blindfolded. I believe she's not an exclusive. No, she's not. She's a 1 in 6. So, still good. They look pretty cool. I'm not going to lie. The detail on them looks amazing. Alright, next box, guys. I gotta organize all this as I go on. I don't want to ruin the boxes either, because, you know, I like keeping the boxes. Ooh, this one feels small. I wonder what it is. What? Wizard Will. Oh, that looks so cool. Look how cool he looks, guys. Also, I fixed the lighting, guys. I bought a light in the back, so when I open the cards in the packs, like, you can actually see the holographics and stuff. So, I have been, like, trying to get better at this, so the quality looks better for you guys, of course. Sound quality wise, I hope this sounds good still. If not, I would probably later on invest in something better, or I will invest in something better, but eventually we'll get there. Right now, let's just enjoy opening some mystery minis, if I could open them. Okay. Is this the exclusive? This is! We got one, guys! We got the 1 in 12 Dustin. Look at that. He's right there. If my camera could focus. Not on me. Focus on the box. Well, I'm pretty sure you can see it. It's right there. But anyways. Here he is. Doesn't he look awesome? Oh, his hands are in his pocket. That's so cool. I didn't realize that. Let's see if we get another one. So far, no doubles, guys. Well, we only opened 3. But still, no doubles. Oh, this one's easier to open. No! That's another exclusive! The 1 in 12-11. We're 2 for 2, guys. Oh my god. If we could get the last one in this box, of course it wasn't a full box. There was like 2 missing. I couldn't like grab the full box because I got there late. But either way, I got a box and I was happy about it. And yeah, they look pretty cool. And as well as for the Hot Topic box, like there's 3 missing, but whoa, look how cool he looks. Is he exclusive? No, he's not. He's a 1 in 12. Okay. I love the detail on him. Look at that. Wow. Wowza. Alright, we gotta keep moving. We can't admire him forever because we got a lot to get through today. Do-do-do-do. Oh, is that Mike or is that Will? I think that's Will. Pretty sure that's Will. Yeah, that looks like Will. Anyways, we got another Will. I think that's Will. I could be wrong. Guys, correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. These like boxes don't have a name for them, or like there's not a checklist for them either, so I'll probably look up the name for them later, so I would actually like know who's who. Oh, this one was already open. Wow, look at that. 11 in her dress. Is that exclusive? That is, guys, that's the last exclusive. Right, where is it? Right there, where her head's pointing. So we got all 3. Wow. What are the odds in that, guys? This was an amazing box. Should I keep opening these? 1 in 72, 1 in 72. You know what? I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait to open those last 3 boxes from the Target box, in case we get like the same like commons again in like one of these other boxes coming up. Because we're moving on to Hot Topic. Let's see if we have the same amount of luck on this one, guys, as we did with the Target ones. Oh god, this is going to be a huge mess at the end of the day. Wow, these are packed like harder. Oh, look. There's Hopper. So we got a Hopper, guys. It looks pretty neat. A 1 in 6. Not bad. Alright, next one. I'm pretty sure there's supposed to be like another set of exclusives, and I think it comes out in GameStop. I could be wrong, maybe. But I just have to wait till they come out. 11 blindfolded again, so that's our first double, guys. Ooh, wow, this one's wrapped like fresh. Oh, this one's open. Haha. What was his name? I keep on forgetting his name. And it's really simple, too, in the show. Oh, well. At least we got him. Like, yeah. Anyways, next. Next box. Doo-doo-doo-doo. I realize to say that a lot. Oh no, another double. So that's 2 doubles already, guys. And like, still no exclusives. I'm getting a bit worried. Can we get at least 1 exclusive? That would be nice. We pulled a 1 in 24. So that's like not bad. Who do we get? Wait, no, he's an exclusive, guys. Our first exclusive. I was like, oh no, another double, but no, he's an exclusive. He's right there. Look how awesome he looks. Oh look, I made it focus, somewhat focus. But anyways, look how cool he looks. Rip, because you know, I'm not gonna spoil it. I'm pretty sure everyone's seen all the episodes though. But I'm just gonna say rip, because yeah, I'm gonna leave it at that. No spoilers. Do. Next box. 1 exclusive down, 2 to go. I will probably end up buying another box if I don't end up getting all the exclusives. And that's our 3rd double. Guys, what is going on? What is going on? We're pulling so many doubles and so little exclusives. Next box. Oh no. Another double. Oh no, guys. We have 2 boxes left. Can these 2 be the last 2 exclusives we need? I think for Hot Topic, they do 1 exclusive a box. I could be wrong, because for the Star Wars minis, I actually got 2 exclusives. I don't know how random these things are. Oh, hey! We have Steve in his Ahoy ice cream outfit. What is he? Oh, he's a 1 in 12. Can't believe we just pulled him. He looks pretty cool. I like it. Now we get Robin, that'd be pretty cool. Even though I would like want the exclusives, but Robin would be pretty cool too. Or that 1 in 72. What? I just noticed there's a 1 in 72 in this, guys. It doesn't feel like the 1 in 72. I don't know what this feels like. Oh no. Another common. Alright, so who do we have? We have all the commons. Not all the commons. Who are we missing? Alright, so I guess we're opening the Target ones just to get the other commons. Or should I just buy another box of Hot Topic? You know what? We're just going to buy another box of Hot Topic. We're not opening the Target ones. We already got the exclusives from them. We don't need any more from them. we're mostly worried about the Hot Topic ones. Anyways, so that's that. Saw what we got. So, first thing I want to say is those exclusives, well, not the exclusives, but those minis that we just opened, any doubles I got, they will be part of the prize as well. So, first thing you gotta do is like this video. Second, comment down below what is your favorite thing out of this whole opening that you're gonna see. So just like, subscribe, and comment. That's all you have to do, and then I'll choose a winner next week, either Friday or Saturday. So good luck to you guys. Next, let's get into these power boxes, because I'm really curious what's inside these. I mean, of course, Pokemon packs, but like, how rare packs are there? That's English, right? Yeah, that is. I know how to speak English. Do 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 do. I've been listening to a song, guys. It's stuck in my head. Oh, here's the promo card. Or, oh, it is a promo card. Lillipup. Reverse Hollow. I'm surprised this is a promo card. Pretty cool. Sleeves. Where are my sleeves? Here they are. So 99% of the time I sleeve my promos. Cause you know, you're never gonna see them, or rare, hard to find, unless you buy them like off eBay or Amazon or somewhere like that, or from a private collector. Not bad actually. There's not that much whitening. It's a little buffered, but still good. Bam, in the sleeve. So we got our packs. First one is Evolutions. Then we got Lost Thunder, Fates Collide. What is that? Lost Thunder again, Crimson Invasion, and a Sun and Moon base set. So not bad. We got 2 Lost Thunders, a Fate Collide, Fates Collide. I want to organize these with the rest of the packs. So what I want to do with these packs, guys, is whatever I have the most of, I'm going to open up. So I don't think I have any of these packs, so I'm just set them aside for right now. Oh no, I have Fates Collide. So let's just put Fates Collide with Fates Collide. Those were our packs. Next, the 1 in 10 vintage pack mystery power box. Let's see if we could pull something good out of this, guys. Can we get first pack? Evolutions. Okay. Second pack, Team Up. Alright. That was the promo card. Breakthrough. Another Crimson Invasions, or Guardians Rising. And last, vintage. No, it's Lost Thunder. Well, guys, we tried and we struck out. But let's see what we got as a promo card. Ooh, Black Curum EX. I'm making sure you guys can see the EX part. But not bad. I believe this is also a promo card. No, this is actually part of a set. Interesting. Oh, it's pretty beat up and sticky. Yeah. I don't know what he's been through. But nevertheless, sleeve. Every card is precious, guys. Anyways, let me organize this. So next, let's get into these 3 packs, one at a time. Most of these I got for a particular reason. So these come with 3 booster packs and a promo card. Yeah, 1 foil promo card. So, first one, promo card, Vaporeon, holographic. I've actually pulled this one before. But it's pretty nice though. Sleeve. Again, guys, anything I pull here that's probably a double for me, you will have a chance to win. And our 3 packs. Ooh, Ancient Origins. Very nice. Another Ancient Origins. And, of course, Burning Shadows. That is mainly the reason why I got that pack. Because Burning Shadows. Because, as you guys know, we're still looking for that rainbow rare. Hyper rare Charizard. We're looking for every Charizard. Every set. Even base set. Which is hard because, you know, they don't make basic packs anymore. So, best bet is actually trading or finding it in a while. Our holographic card. Oh, this actually is a holographic. I think that's a promo. Because it's not like a very specific set. It's like 18 and 20. Expert share. It's in good condition. Sleeve. Of course, Burning Shadows. Put that over there. Steam Siege. It's our first Steam Siege pack. And I spoke too soon, Steam Siege. Okay. So, next pack. Let's do this one. Because I know exactly why I got this one. Ah! The packs! Guys, I gooped up. And we're back. And the holographic is Altaria. Reverse rare. That is a reverse rare. Wow. It looks very scratched up. And a lot of whitening in the back. But, nevertheless, sleeve. So, first pack, Steam Siege. Burning Shadows, the reason we got that pack. And another Steam Siege. I feel like a lot of these are going to be Steam Siege. For the packs I got Burning Shadows for. Which is going to be a pain in the butt. Promo card. Ooh, Flaffy. Reverse. Holographic. It's not a rare, so. Sleeve. I don't know why I'm sleeving this one. It's a reverse. Burning Shadows. Ooh, Roaring Skies. And last but not least, another Evolutions. Alright, next. So I only got 2 of these. And you'll see why I only got 2 of these. One, I was low on money. But I got these because it came with packs that were like super hard to get. So, our Reverse Hollow. Electric. And that's from a Burning Shadow set. So, first pack, Fates Collide. Oh, that's over there. Fates Collide. Alright. Next pack, another Fates Collide. And the reason I got this, Dragon Majesty, guys. I've never opened these cards, and I don't have a single card from the set. So anything I pull from this is like great. And then last 3 pack set is me struggling opening it. Come on out, please don't fall. The reverse is a Diglett, a Alolan Diglett. So cute. First pack, Fates Collide. Second pack, Fates Collide. Dragon Majesty. Beautiful, guys. I wanted different artworks for those, so I got 2 different kinds. So, what we're going to be opening first for the packs are these Burning Shadow promo packs. And most of these promos are doubles, So you guys will have a chance to win this as part of the bundle as well. Like, I'm just throwing a whole bunch of stuff in this, guys. Like, it's going to be a whole bunch of random stuff. So, the pack. And the promo is a Jangamo. And then the code card, I'm actually giving all the code cards to the winner of this video. So if you want all these codes, like, comment, subscribe. Alright, let me just open all these. That way we don't have to keep stopping. And I just open packs straight through. Oh wow, that card got pretty bent. Kumala is the reverse. Ugh, I dropped the coin. I done gooped up again, guys. Oh wow, this one opened perfectly fine. Burning Shadows. Oh wow, this card actually came out pretty easily. Kumala again. I'm actually gonna end up keeping one of these for myself. Lucario is the coin. I'm just go ahead and sleeve one of these for myself. Kamala code card. And of course, anything that we pull, like if it's a double GX or ultra rare card or holographic, I will sleeve and like shipped it sleeve as well. I'm not gonna send it as is, you know, because I care about cards, guys. I care about these cards. I care about what you guys get. Jangamo again. Another Lucario coin, because you know, can never have too many Lucario coins. But anyways, let's get into these Burning Shadow packs, guys. I'm probably gonna be mostly opening up Burning Shadows, seeing how we have like mostly Burning Shadows. Again, the code card for whoever wins. 1, 2, 3, 4. The card trick was yes. Guess the energy. Let's go with water, lightning. Okay. Wimapod, or Whirlipede, Guzma, Super Scoop Up, Alolan Rattata, Porygon, Panpour, Pansage, Esper, yes, Esper. The reverse is Electivire. How come I forget these names? Come on, me. I played Pokemon for so long. And the rare holographic Raichu, guys, right off the back. Look at that. Wow, beautiful. And I'm so glad I brought sleeves. Bam. First pack. And we got something good. So I'm only showing like the cards and doing cards and the mystery boxes, the minis, because there's like other stuff I want to show you guys, but like there's just so much to go through. And I forgot to do guess the energy. Dusknoir, Dusclops, Pansear, Simisear, Mount what? Lanakila, Tangela, Ralts, Rhyhorn, Hoot Hoot, Marrow. The reverse is a Plumera, nice trainer card, and the is a Butterfree, non-holographic. Guys, if you play Pokemon Go, you obviously know last weekend was the community event for routes, to get a shiny routes. I was only able to get 2, while like other people got like 30 something, and I was like highly upset because I was walking everywhere and they wouldn't spawn. I was so upset. Anyways, Dark, Fighting, Noctowl, Rhydon, Charmeleon, Duskull, Morlo, Caterpie, Meryl, Rhyhorn. The reverse is a Persian, and the rare full art trainer, Acerola, Acerola. That's her name, Acerola. Guys, I've pulled this already, but it is such an amazing card. Wow, I pulled this like back home. I went to Best Buy to like look at the Pokemon cards they have there, and like they had one Burning Shadows pack, and I was like, you know what, I'll buy it. I was like, there's probably nothing good in it. And I asked my brother. I'm pretty sure I told a story about this in like a different video. If you go back, you'll probably like remember it. But yeah, went to Best Buy. I said, I probably shouldn't get this. There's probably nothing good in it. That's why this is the only pack left. Bro was like, nah, you should still get it. So I got it. Opened the pack up in the car. I should have recorded a video, like I did. Like I should have recorded like all the Unbroken Bond like packs that me and my brother just went through just to get like the ultra rare Charizard and Reshiram. But it's like it's not the hyper rare, so we're still looking for that one too. And yeah, I opened the Burning Shadows pack and it was an Acerola full art trainer. I freaked out in the car. By the way, don't open Pokemon cards while you're driving. I was at a stoplight, so technically I wasn't driving. So yeah. Anyways, another Burning Shadows. Let's get right into it. Let's go with Fire, Water, Wiki, Seviper, Sophocles, Ralts, Crabrawler, Sneasel, Venipede. I said that right. Horsey. The reverse is a Arachnoid, and the rare Kingdra holographic. Guys, we're getting so many good cards that I don't have. Wow, this is like one of the. Let's just keep going. This is a great opening, guys. First, we got all the Target exclusives, and then we got one Hot Tub exclusive. We got a full art trainer card. Oh, there's lightning. Dark. Lana. Tormenting Spray. Charmeleon again. Dewpider. Noibat. Pikachu. Esper. Pansage. The reverse is a Charmeleon. And the rare. Ooh. Lycanroc holographic. Guys, that's 3 pulls in a row. Wow. Just to show you what we got so far. Lycanroc holographic. Kingdra holographic. Acerola full art trainer. And a Raichu holographic. Guys, let's just hop into some more Burning Shadows that I just grabbed back there. I don't know how many packs I'm going through. Should I just open all Burning Shadows? This video is going to be long. I'm probably going to end up breaking it 2 parts. And like doing the cutscene like you guys saw me that one other video. So you might get 2 videos in 1 weekend, which is not bad. Fighting. Dark again. Luna, like the Buzz. Simipour. Lowland Rattata. Magikarp. Pansear. Cutiefly. Panpour. Reverse is a Wimpod. And the rare. Ooh, Lycanroc again. But non-holographic. Nevertheless, good card. Next pack. Let's get it. If I could open it. Struggling. That's another thing I'll be including in the giveaway. One of these random packs would go to you guys, like sealed and everything. I forgot to do guess the energy for free. Porygon 2, Simisage, Metapod, Dewpider, Noibat, Pikachu, Esper, Pansage. The reverse is a Beautifly or Butterfree, 2 different Pokemon. And the rare, Diancie holographic. Guys, I pulled this card so many times. If it's not a Golisopod GX, it's a Diancie holographic. It's either or always. It's never like something different that you've never pulled. I'm trying to complete the set as well, guys, so you know. Let's go for water. Dark again. Guzma, Solrock, Pulama, Pansage, Panpour, Porygon, so many P's, Rattata, Charmander. The reverse is a Dynamo, and the rare is Electivire, non-holographic. These cards are starting to stack up. Let's get into another pack. One, two, three, four. What haven't you said? Fairy, Lightning. I was thinking about Lightning too. Bloom, Seadra, Bodybuilding Dumbbells, Oddish, Duskull, Esper, Morlo. The reverse is a Meowth, and the rare. Hyper rare. Dark Rye. Hyper rare. There's some whitening, but it is a beautiful card, guys. Oh my god. Oh. More Burning Shadows. More Burning Shadows. We're doing it, guys. More Burning Shadows. I don't care. We're opening them all the Burning Shadows. Just jump right into it. That's like, I think my first Hyper Rare of the set. I think that might be my first Hyper Rare of that set. Which is crazy, because I've opened a lot of, I've opened a lot of Burning Shadows. Even like off camera, like before I started the channel, like I've opened a lot of Burning Shadows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lightning, Metal. That's something I don't say either. Noctowl, Electabuzz, Mount Lana, Railu, Meowth, Vulpix, Wimpod, Togedemaru. Reverse, Alolan Rattata. The rare, Heracross, non-holographic. Next pack. Next pack. Next pack. I'm excited. There's also some commons that I'm missing from the set, surprisingly, that I haven't pulled. Not commons, but like uncommons, like regular rares. Dark, Fairy, Rotom Dex, Scoop Up, Electabuzz, Grimer, Sneasel, Charmander, Crab Brawler, Meow. Reverse is Bodybuilding Doug Bells. And the rare, Gardevoir GX. Guys, I have. It's not as crazy as the Darkrai bit. When you haven't pulled this card, or like cards you haven't pulled, you know the feeling. You know that feeling. Anyways, let's get right into the next one. Oh, since I also do gameplay on the channel, I'll also be giving either, depending what you use, a Google or iTunes gift card. Cause I do gameplay. And I do spend money on games. Sometimes. If there's like a special offer and it's worth it. Water. Psychic. That's another one I don't say. Guzma, Rimaby, Noibat, Pikachu, Esper, Pansage, Meryl. The reverse is an Esper. The rare, Marshadow GX. I think I've pulled this. I'm not 100% sure. But it's a GX. And I'm happy. Guys, the pulls. Marshadow GX. Gardevoir GX. Darkrai Hyper Rare GX. And then we got Diancie holographic. Lycanroc. Kingdra. Bullart, Acerola, and of course Raichu holographic. Amazing pulls, guys. Amazing. Burning Shadows. Wow. What is going on? 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, the person that wins doesn't want the code cards. Of course, I'll give it away in the next episode, but that's totally up to them. And I forgot to do guess the energy. But until then, yeah. Charmander, Bouffalant, Ladybug, NK, Crab Brawler, Tynamo, Tangela. The reverse is a Kiawe, and the rare, it's a Mudsdale, non-holographic. Next pack. I've been finding like a lot of Burning Shadow packs out in the wild, like Walmart, GameStop. GameStop's like got 3 of each. At each GameStop, they got like 3 Burning Shadow packs. Psychic, Metal, Solrock, Escape Rope, Gloom, Togedemaru, Windpod, Alolan Rattata, Magikarp, Pansear, Pikachu, and the rare, Butterfree, non-holographic. Next. Time on next episode. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go with Lightning. Dark. Seadra, Pokedex, Scoop Up, Lolan, Vulpix, Ralts, Lolan Grimer, Sneasel, Charmander. Reverse is a Lucario. That is a rare. And the rare is a Rhyperior holographic. I believe I pulled this already, but nevertheless, it is a holographic. And you know what holographics get? A sleeve. Most people don't like sleeve their holographics because they're like, oh, holographic, it's worthless. But you know, holographic is a holographic, guys, and I will take it. That is a win in my book. So we're coming down on the last few packs here. I saw the energy, Wicket, Runestone, Gloom, Krogan, Pansage, Stuffle, Meowth, Crab Brawler. The reverse is a Wimpod. The rare, Breakfast. What are you guys having for breakfast? I know it's like late over here where I'm at, and I'm already thinking about breakfast. It says a lot. Alright. 2, 3, 4. Let's go with Lightning, Fighting, Luna, Spray, Heatmore, Rattata, Charmander, Panseer, Pikachu, Croagunk. The reverse is a Meowstic. That is a rare. And the rare. Ooh, Malmar. Non-holographic though. Very nice. Guys, we're down to the last 2 packs. Can we get the Charizard and end our search for the hyper rare Charizard of Burning Shadows and focus on other sets? We'll find out. We will find out. We will find out. Metal, because I don't say metal. Like the Buzz, Sophocles, Dungbells, Crabrawler, Meow, Stuffle, Pansage, Croagunk, Reverse Crabrawler, and the rare Aswell. The last pack, guys. Can we get last pack magic and get that Charizard? I don't even have the regular Charizard from the set. That's how sad. That's how hard it is. Favorite energy, water, metal. Of course it's metal. Charmeleon, Wormpole, or whatever, Wobbuffet. Noibat, Pikachu, Esper, Pansage, Meryl. The reverse is Potown. The rare Pessimia, non-holographic. Well, guys, thank you for joining me. Again, if you want a chance to win, the giveaway will be 60 random cards. None will be repeats. Some of the mystery minis, a coin or 2 from Pokemon, a Funko item from right up, not like my personal collection, but like an item I have laying around for you guys. A random Pokemon card pack. It could be anything, guys. Any of the packs you saw here. All you gotta do is like, subscribe, comment down below. What should you comment? Comment down below your favorite Pokemon card set, or your favorite Funko item. Like, it could be a pop, a mini, a t-shirt, anything. But anyways, thank you guys for joining me. As always, like, subscribe, comment down below what you want to see next on this channel. As always, have an outstanding day. Peace out.